come to our attention that putting garbage in landfills has been a primary way of dealing with our trash. A problem that can't be ignored or put off any longer.
Every day, 17,000 tons of garbage from New York City are dumped here.
Oh my God, that's disgusting. Yeah, I can't believe that. Ew. That's just gross. Whoa. Did you see that? Yeah, I saw. And all four eyes. Ew. There is something that we can do about it. Over to you, Crazy Larry. Yes, Babs, there is something we can do about it. It's called recycling. I think you've heard of it.
I bet you even know why we recycle. Because it's good for the environment, it cuts down on pollution, saves energy, and conserves natural resources. Let's take a look at all of the items we can recycle.
Well, thank God somebody's doing something about that. Yeah, I know, huh? Well, I know I'm gonna be recycling. Yeah, me too. This has been Barbara Brains reporting. Out.